Good morning, Honorable. My name is Yondrana. I thank you for this opportunity to given to me present skripsi. The title Teacher Motivation in Teaching English at SMPN 1 Rantebuang. Chapter 1 Agenda Introduction. Chapter 2 Refer of the Theoretical. Chapter 3 Research Method. Chapter 4 Finding and Discussion. Chapter 5 Conclusion and Suggestion. Chapter 1 Background of the research. In supporting the learning process at the several main components, the must to be the component in the place, in this case the school. I self-teaching material student even facilitates condition of the last of the teacher himself. The teacher in the case, the motivation of the teacher, how teachers attitude teaching competent on the research or also the factor in learning. The lack of the motivation of teacher to teaching English because teaching English is not easy, and we really have the lot of the proportion that the teacher are not motivated. Problem of research. What are the teacher motivation in teaching English at SMPN 1 Rantebuang? Object of the research. Then the point the research want to find of the teacher motivation and English at SMPN 1 Rantebuang. Sequence of the research. The results. The research is explained to be based of the information for teacher motivation in teaching English at SMPN 1 Rantebuang. Research methodology Densin 2000 qualitative research. Definition of K. The title of the research in the teacher motivation in teaching English at SMPN 1 Rantebuang has some people or according of the follow teacher or some hold job teaching school or college. Volunteer mean person does something if other people work the work first. Motivation in 14 some identity person doing. Teacher in the job of being teacher. Chapter 2 Profit Study Hours 2015 in the study department motivation in the teaching. The term motivation comes of the motive. This can be underneath power this individual and this individual to aid. Review relate definition is definition teaching is motorized skill for by teacher on test learning ability at ability teach the ability on the face for taking characteristic meaning on the also definition design. Teaching motivation according the motivation for be evaluated for an individual that come the individual. Motivation is according doing something according the complete effort learning dictionary education. Theoretical format teaching context and motivation. Chapter 3 Research Methods. design the teacher was indebted the teacher motivation in teaching English at SMPN 1 Rempeyek in qualitative research in the instrument. The research helped research on the instrument to collect the data. Subject the subject of the research are the teacher 1 and teacher 2 at SMPN 1 Rantebuam. The participant on the teaching English at SMPN 1 Rantebuam. Setting this research was carried at SMPN 1 Rantebuam. It's college in the Bokin North Toraja Utara, Sulawesi Selatan Provinsi. This research was collected on product of the data collect. Library research introduced them. Research was visit internet, read book, article, and other material information that relevant. The quest data analysis. The algorithm from interviewers, analysis by Ms. Hart, data collect, data education, data display, conclusion drawing. Chapter 4 finding as explained in the first chapter. This study in determine the motivation of teachers to teaching English. Indication the research finding the teachers' motivation to English. Research interviewed 2 teachers with 11 questions. The research also present the finding as the analysis process calling the interview with the teacher. The following are 8 motivation factors to teaching English. The research of that are 8 motivation that can be motivation teacher to aid English and consistent responsibility, active self-develop, improve skill, work, and leadership. Discussion after the data is analysis component for the interview class is the next discussion. Research is study the discussion for all the analysis teacher motivation in teaching English. The next section is the discussion the results answer during the interview of the analysis the interview. The research for the 8 motivation that can be motivate teacher the teaching English. Chapter 5 conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion based of the finding and discussion in first chapter in can be work the 8 things they can motivate teacher to carry work the ability when teaching English. What English point of the responsibility, payment, self-development, different skill, improve work, effort, and leadership of the 8 motivation. The teacher is very full and carrying out the tasks given to because of the conflict facilitate and different over time. Suggestion of them. Student research of responsibility should be more precise on that about the results with the teacher. The teacher must teaching student. Teaching students speaking ability to the teacher. Teacher must respond to out the I think you very much. Thank you.